What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, finally, the boat vlog you guys have all been waiting for. We're gonna start to ram her up and take the boat out. You know, she hasn't been out in a long time, so we're gonna head to the lake and we'll see how she does and hope we got no issues with her. But I looked everything over, so far so good. So now we're gonna sit and warm the rammer up over here. Alright guys, we've arrived finally here at the lake 3 hours later. And you know, it's hard when you're trying to back the boat up, dock the boat up, put the buoys out, do everything because somebody can't drive a boat, but we're gonna teach her how to drive a boat. And we got Viz over here gonna wakeboard. I've never seen this. Yeah, oh, it's the first time? Oh, this is gonna be good. Hold on, I gotta get in the front of the boat.
Wakeboard before?
Nope, first time.
Oh, this is gonna be an awesome thumbnail.
If I wasn't pregnant, I would do it too.
Alright guys, so when he gets all his boots and everything buttoned up, I'll give you guys a good little view. But yeah, I think I've wakeboarded like once in my whole life. That was, I gotta say, probably 10 years ago.
40 years old, first time.
Yeah, Vince is like 48 years old, so it's 40. And
Are you? Is he really 40?
yeah, he's really 40.
Is he really 40?
He's old.
What?
He was the oldest out of all of us.
We look good for your age.
So guys, so far everything's working good in the boat.
Thanks.
Had to put some fresh fuel, put some race fuel in it. It's running much better. It was pinging when I started at home, but put some race fuel in it. It's working much better. What stopped?
Stop.
Why? You want to vlog for me?
Stop doing that.
Okay, all right. And so we'll be right back once he eventually gets his shoes on and that thing gets ready. I'm not gonna run him over. All right, guys, here he goes. Babe, drive.
What?
Drive.
Hold on. I'm not in anything.
Oh my goodness. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes.
And he's down.
All right, that was a good attempt. Good attempt.
I wasn't ready.
He wasn't ready. So guys, I can't really talk because I don't remember the last time I've wakeboarded, so it looks extremely difficult. Attempt number 2 for him.
Yeah.
Here he goes.
Oh.
Oh, got it! Ah!
Eddie, tell him to hug his knees more when he starts to get up.
You're asking me like I know?
No, I'm telling you to tell him.
Oh. Hug your knees, cuz.
Vince!
I almost had it.
Hug your knees more!
We'll figure it out.
If I wasn't 8 months pregnant, I would show him how it's done. Hi, handsome.
Alright, hold on, you ready?
We're ready, Dad.
Here he goes. Here he goes. Oh. Look at he's there floating. Take 342. Action.
Go.
He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Go.
He seems like he's letting off the throttle, like on and off.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not a wakeboarder. I'm a deserter. Here he goes again. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh! You had it! You had it!
Why? It fucking hurts, bro. You think water's off. Yeah, it's off, bro. No. It's just concrete.
All right, guys, now we are here anchored. Vision E just said to hell with the wakeboard or snowboard, whatever. Yeah, wakeboard. And now we got Nick's Toy World over here.
What's up, Eddie's Life?
What up, what up, what up? We just got them here floating. They're just hanging out. Yes, sir. What, you want to come back? Sorry, I'm going to start the boat. You're going to hold on. I'm driving.
I can't do it with 3 kids. I need help.
It's okay. They got life jackets. Just drop them. You need to just throw them in the water. Just throw them. That's what I did earlier to Kane.
Hey, Eddie's Life.
What's up? Hi. Tired.
Nick's Toy World.
Big tour world.
There he is.
Why are you pulling me in, man?
That's supposed to be for the kids, babe.
Huh?
That's supposed to be for the kids.
Just can you get a longer rope, pull me out like another 4 miles? Please?
Not today.
Well, guys, it's the lake life. Sitting here, vlogging the lake. Anthony's sitting there floating away. Bro, are you coming on this thing or what?
I can't get in. It's too much work.
Hey, why are you yelling?
Tony in my way.
Why is Tony in your way? Tony, come on here. See, guys, this is what we do with all the kids. They sit and if I can't, I'm trying to relax and just float. I can't even float right now. Look at it. What, bro, what are you doing? Push me out of here. I can check on the boat from out here. At least the boat looks good from out here. What do you think? Not bad? Eh, not bad. You know, let's just relax. Let's just take a moment of silence and relax and think, which diesel would you buy? Cummins, Power Stroke, Duramax? A lot of good ones out there, guys. A lot of good ones. But I'm gonna just relax, enjoy my lake day with the fam, and then I'll get some footage for you guys cruising the boat. You made it, bro!
An hour to get here.
I was gonna say, 3 hours later, you literally went from there to there.
I tell you, it's not easy with this life jacket. It takes some work.
Wow.
Oh my God.
He's winded. All right, I gotta get in water, man. It's hot.
How is she?
You ready? Huh?
Ready.
All right. Clear. Thank you, man. I like your truck.
Thank you.
Oh. A little more. Look at that hitch, guys. See that thing bouncing? That thing's working pretty good. Oh, it's not bouncing no more, but you can kind of see it flexing right there. All right, you're good. Well, guys, very, very successful day at the lake.
What's wrong with you?
Now there's nothing wrong with me. What's wrong with you?
Stop doing that.
I got a vlog.
No.
What? Don't you yell?
Stop fighting.
What?
Not doing nothing.
Listen, you keep yelling. I'm gonna stop this camera and I'm gonna pull over. And you know what's gonna happen, right? The 5-knuckle what? The 5. Oh, you're gonna give me the Stone Cold Stunner?
Yeah,
Okay. Well, when we get home.
what am I
And you're gonna what?
to fold your camera
You gonna throw my camera?
and crash?
Oh gosh, the subscribers might be so sad. Well, we gotta go home, clean the boat now, guys.
Stop!
Well, boy, you better wait till we get home. So, well, we'll be back here shortly. Guys, wanna know how to back the boat in? With old Blue. So, old Blue, we'll hook her up to the tractor, and we'll back her in. Well, because it's way easier, so I can turn this thing. The trucks and, you know, the Jeep, they're a little too long. I get in the dirt. With the tractor, it's much easier to back in. Well, there you have it, guys. Boat's all done. Well, it's not done and washed. I just rinsed her off. So we'll let her sit here for a second. We'll do final touch up. The old rammer, she's all done. Rinsed off. I gotta say, this hitch also worked pretty damn good. So I noticed this thing like works a little better or maybe a lot better. I don't know, but I did notice it. It works really good, you know, with just a trailer behind it. I don't know if the distribution bars sort of affect the way this performs, but I did notice it worked a lot better with the boat on there. You want to end the vlog? Tell them we're done? No. Okay. Well, we're done, guys. Oh, I've showered.
I'm going.
No, we're done for the day. As in, like, the vlog is over, lake day's over. It was a very good day. I'm tired.
No,
Now.
It was a bad day.
Oh, it was a bad day?
I didn't want to go in the water.
Well, because you got mad because I threw you in the water. He said he was scared of the water, so I told him no problem, so I grabbed him and threw him in. But it was refreshing, wasn't it? No? Okay, well, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video.
I never want to go to lake ever again.
Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, don't click subscribe. Peace.
Stop.
Yeah.